This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring the correct account is active and parental controls are off. Open the Google app or Chrome now. Once done, tap your profile icon. Make sure the app is updated so settings match what I describe. If family link or a supervised account is present, you must pause or remove it. Otherwise, Safesearch may be enforced. Follow these initial steps immediately so the search settings you change actually stick across the device and account. Now you'll locate the Safesearch control. In the Google app, tap Settings, then Search Settings or General. In Chrome, go to Settings, right arrow Privacy, and Security, right arrow Safesearch. Turn the Safesearch filter off and save any prompts. If prompted to lock changes with your account password, enter it to confirm. Also check Google Assistant settings if you use voice search. Make sure its filter matches. These middle steps remove the filter at the app and account level, so searches return uncensored results. Finish by clearing the Google app and Chrome cache, restart your Android, and run a search to verify Safesearch is off. If results still appear filtered, first check family link or a supervised account. Parents must remove restrictions. Next, inspect device admin or network DNS filters. Some routers enforce Safesearch at the network level. If nothing changes, remove the Google account from the device and add it back. This resets stuck settings and usually resolves persistent enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.